Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for our premium service. So I'm currently on the homepage of the dyslexicbrowser.com. So there's a couple ways that you could go about signing up. First off, you could go to the premium tab right here, which will bring you to the login. I already have an account, but if you are new, you go down here, you hit new, sign up here, and then you put in your email, your name, whatever your name you want to use, it doesn't have to be your real name, and then whatever password you want to use. You're going to do that twice, so I'm going to do this. Super secretive password. So then you're going to go to the terms of service, read through the terms of service, make sure you understand. And then you're going to click on this and you're going to hit submit. This brings up a payment window. This just puts a card into the system. We don't necessarily charge. You'll only be charged for the services you use. So you're going to put in whatever your card number is. I'm not going to show you mine, so I can just skip past this. So that will automatically redirect you to this premium page. You'll have your name up top. It'll say your name, premium. And then you have some inputs down here. You could change your email. If you're on Patreon, make sure it matches with your Patreon email though. And then your name. So I could just change my name to Jimmy or whatnot. And then right down here, we have the list of the subscriptions. All the available subscriptions are going to be here. Currently, I am on a Patreon account, but normally this would be $1.99 or whatever the price currently is. This is probably going to be changed depending on the usage. So all you have to do is hit update and sync, and then it will sync it with your extension. You get onto premium and you can see that your extensions have updated, and also your name will show up here. Again, I'm on a Patreon account, so that's why I have the symbol there. So if you're a patron, then you'll get that symbol too. Down here, you'll have a payment details section, which you're able to change your card on if you need to. And you can also sign out and delete your profile. So now let's look at the PDF compatibility now that I'm signed up for it. I could go into my extension, go down to premium, and then hit on the compatible PDF here, which will bring you to the site. You'll see this little form. All you have to do is select which PDF you want. So I'm going to look at my algorithms book for my algorithms class I took last semester. You just need to select it. It'll automatically load into your computer. All of the features inside of this extension will work. So for example, we could put on our ruler. That works perfectly. We could put on our overlay. Works perfectly. And then we could also change our font. Now there's a couple things to changing the font. Not all types of fonts are the same in size, so I added this ability to scale the size of the font, and as you can see, some of the time it will look a little bit funky with the text underneath it. Two ways to solve this. You could either adjust this vertical padding, which will change the right to left, and you could change the bottom padding, which will change the bottom. You could also disable the custom fonts by just clicking on this, and it'll go back to the original PDF. If you're going to be using text-to-speech, you're going to want to reset all of your selections, and then that will automatically make it so that it lines up with the original text. And then you can still text to read. This book covers enough material for a standard introduction to algorithms course. And it will still highlight. And then if you want to go to a specific page, we have this page number thing here. So if I wanted to go to page 200 and I don't want to scroll there, I could do that and it goes to page 200. And then you could scroll, and this will automatically track your page that you're on. And that's it for the PDF viewer. If you have any suggestions, comments, concerns, let me know. I would be happy to help you out and change whatever you think needs to be changed. Happy browsing.